Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we're going to be doing a speed test comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the OnePlus 7 Pro. The iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with the new Apple A13 chip and 4 gigs of RAM. OnePlus 7 Pro comes with Snapdragon 855 CPU and 12 gigs of RAM. The truth is that they are different platforms, so iOS 4 gigs is really enough. However, on Android, I guess you need more. Why we're here is to see how that translates into real world usage. The OnePlus 7 Pro is also rocking that 90Hz display, even though I don't think it's going to mean anything in this test. I've also gone ahead to set the animations and transition to default, which is like, the out of the box state. We have some system apps at the top row, some social media apps second row. Third row we have, some mixed apps, and in the last row we have the games. I'm not really expecting to see a lot from the iPhone until we get to the last row, but let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm actually gonna head to close every other app running in the background except one, which is Google Chrome, as it's where we're going to start browser test. So just go. The loading seems to be done on OnePlus 7 Pro already. Clock. It's open faster on the iPhone, I think. Calendar, definitely the iPhone. Calculator, OnePlus 7 Pro. Camera, that seemed very close. Now moving to the social media row, we have Twitter, faster on OnePlus 7 Pro. YouTube, definitely OnePlus 7 Pro. Instagram, I think that was a tie. Boomerang, definitely faster on OnePlus 7 Pro. Moving to the next row, we're going to skip Chrome and go to SoundCloud. The iPhone was faster there. Premier League app, definitely the iPhone there. Obviously the iPhone. Speedtest. The iPhone found server faster. So we're connected to the same not so great Wi-Fi network. We're going to test to see which is faster. Testing them on the same not so great internet connection, the iPhone still came out on top. Now we're moving to the final row, which is where I expect the iPhone to shine, but we'll see. So starting from Subway Surf, iPhone obviously faster there. Now PUBG, iPhone open quicker. See iPhone already on the loading screen. iPhone clearly ahead here. This guy is catching up, but the iPhone is downloading, and this guy is done now. Go to Call of Duty. iPhone loading up those screens faster. I think the iPhone is this guy's taking over already. Oh, OnePlus 7 Pro. Wow. Okay then. Now the iPhone loads Call of Duty. Now to the final game, Asphalt 9. And the iPhone is just always loading those screens faster. However, as you can see, that does not really mean it's going to take the round. And the iPhone was slightly faster there, ever so slightly. Now let's check the RAM management to see how good these phones are holding the apps running. See here the apps. This guy too. So both still in memory, no problem there. Call of Duty, memory, both still in memory. PUBG, both still in memory. Subway Surf, both still in memory. Speedtest, no refresh. FPL, no refresh. Refresh here. Boomerang still in memory. Instagram, still in memory. So guys, which would you say was the faster device? If you ask me, they were pretty much the same. That just goes to show how far technology has come. These days, if you buy a phone, you are almost guaranteed to get a great phone. It's not about having the beefiest spec sheets. Optimizations are very important, and that's where Apple shines with iOS. They are both great devices, and in the end, it's just about your preference, Android or iOS. Anyways guys, that's been the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.